Welcome to the Innovative Surface Solutions Knowledge Nugget of the Week. Bite-sized facts about de-icing and dust control. Innovative Surface Solutions, celebrating 35 years of keeping you safe from highways to driveways. Chlorides entering the environment because of snow and ice control efforts is something that is being monitored more closely as of late. When looking to reduce chlorides, the first place to start is reviewing the best practices of calibration. Calibration will allow you to know how much material is actually being put down. The next step would be adding a liquid and/or a treated salt product to your winter maintenance program. These steps will allow you to maximize your winter program with an overall goal of reducing the impact of your operation on the environment. Now don't stop there. Reviewing your choice of liquid de-icer can also have a significant impact in helping you protect your waterways and further reducing your chlorides. It's simple. Let's look at the approved application rates of liquids for safe and effective road maintenance. First off, salt brine. Salt brine has an anti-icing application rate of 40 to 50 gallons per lane mile. Now let's look at 26% magnesium chloride. The mag has an anti-icing rate of 16 to 29 gallons per lane mile. That's a pretty big difference in product volume. Let's take a closer look, though, at the chloride numbers. Yes, magnesium chloride has marginally more chlorides per pound than salt brine, but because it's more effective at melting snow and ice, you need to use much less material to get the same results. The total amount of chlorides in mag, 26%, is 2.71 pounds per gallon. That results in an anti-icing application yielding 43.4 to 78.59 pounds of chloride going onto the roads. Conversely, salt brine 23.3% has 2.28 pounds per gallon and results in an anti-icing operation yielding 91.2 to 114 pounds of chloride going onto the roads. Using 26% mag chloride instead of salt brine would prevent 35 to 48 pounds per lane mile of chlorides from entering the environment. And that's just on one application. These kind of numbers make good environmental sense. If you need to reduce chlorides entering the environment, you need to look at the impact of the liquid you are applying or thinking of trying. Knowledge is the key to choosing which liquid is right for your operation. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out to us at www.innovativecompany.com. While you're there, don't forget to sign up for a reminder on the next Knowledge Nugget of the Week.